I'm going to be showing you how to dropship in eBay. So dropshipping on eBay means you sell a product without keeping it on stock. So when someone buys from you, you buy it from a supplier and the supplier ships it directly to the customer. So what you need to do first is make sure you have an eBay account and just set up your seller profile and payment method. So what you need to do is, if you have the app, just go to your app, and if you don't, then you can just go to your browser and go to ebay.com. So anyway, just open it, and once you do so, you'll see something like this. And after you're done, make sure you're signed up and logged in. Once you've done so, you need to find the sell button. So what you need to do is look at the bottom where you can see all of these options like home, my eBay, search, notifications, and selling. Just tap on selling. And once you do so, you should know that you cannot do it through an app. So to sell, you need to go to the website. So just open your browser and go there. I'm going to be using Safari. It's right there. And you have to go to ebay.com. And once you're here, again, look for sell, and that is at the top right where you can see this three-lined button. Just tap there and tap on sell. And you just need to make sure you set up your seller profile and payment method. And once you've done so, you need to find a supplier. A supplier is a person or website that actually ships the product. So common suppliers are AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Amazon, but it's not recommended for eBay policy reasons. So you need to find a good supplier that tips fast shipping, good reviews, and cheap price. You just need to choose a product to sell. It could be anything. So in this way, you can successfully dropship on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.